Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna show you 4 last minute simple and cute DIYs and gift ideas for Mother's Day. So let's get started. Number 1. How to make an easy and decorative earring holder. Materials you require: 8 popsicle sticks, acrylic paints, a paintbrush, a strong glue, decorative beads and dangler earrings. Take 8 popsicle sticks and paint them completely with 2 layers on each side with the colors of your choice. Now place 2 sticks at a distance and place the other 4 sticks horizontally on them. Now use a glue to stick them in place. Once it dries, make it stand vertical and stick the other 2 popsicle sticks at the back of the base for support. Once it has dried completely, decorate it with sequins or pearl beads. Now your easy and cute earring holder is ready. Number 2. Cute Mother's Day DIY surprise greeting card. Materials you require: A3 size red card paper, A3 size white card paper, heart-shaped or flower-shaped hole punch, glue, 6 similar size different colored heart-shaped cutouts, sketch pens, decorative beads, ruler and a pencil. First take an A3 size red card paper and fold it into halves. Now take the white colored A3 sized paper and repeat the same. Now use a flower-shaped or heart-shaped hole punch and punch the holes at the border of the red card paper. It should look like this. Now place the red card paper inside the white card and stick it in place with the help of glue. And let it dry. Meanwhile, take different color of heart-shaped cutouts of the similar size and mark the size of each of it on another rectangular shaped cutout with 1 cm distance as shown. Now fold the marked lines. Now stick the top of the heart with glue on each line. Now use another rectangular shaped cutout and stick it at the bottom back of it. And stick the side flaps of it inside the card. Now write pull me at the bottom of it. And pull it and write a message for your mom inside of it. On the other side of the card, write the meaning of mother. And write a message for your mom with a sketch pen below of it. And decorate the card with beads. Now at the outside of the card write Happy Mother's Day in large size with different colored sketch pens. And draw hearts with the red color sketch pen. And decorate it with pearl beads. Now your easy Mother's Day card is ready. Number 3. DIY Mini Envelope Mother's Day Greeting Card. Materials you require: A4 size white cardstock paper, 8 cm into 8 cm colorful paper cutouts, 4 cm into 5 cm white paper cutouts, ruler, pencil, eraser, sketch pens, decorative beads, glue and scissors. Take an A4 sized cardstock paper. Now take an 8 cm into 8 cm paper cutout and with the help of a ruler and pencil mark an X mark across it as shown. It should look like this. Now take a 4 cm into 5 cm white paper cutout and divide it into 4 parts with the help of a ruler and a pencil. Now align both of them together as shown. And fold the sides by keeping the white paper cutout in the center. Now open it and cut the small triangles formed with the help of scissors. And trim the excess paper. Now erase the marked lines on both of the cutouts with the help of an eraser. And use a glue to stick the 3 flaps together. Make sure to leave the top flap open. Now insert your white cutout in your mini envelope and decorate it by sticking a bead on it. Now make 9 more mini envelopes using the same method. And stick each of them on the A4 sized cardstock using glue in a row as shown. On the top, write the title as 10 Reasons Why I Love My Mom with the black sketch pen. And below of it, write Happy Mother's Day with a pink sketch pen. And stick beads at the side of it as shown. Now open each envelope and write a reason why you love your mom on the mini paper with a sketch pen. And place it back in the envelope once you're done. Write mother in a vertical line in the between in large letters. Now draw hearts with a red or pink sketch pen. Now your DIY mini envelope Mother's Day card is ready. Number 4, DIY parachute greeting card. Materials you require: A4 size card paper, 4 colorful heart-shaped cutouts, glue, foam sheet, sketch pens, small rectangular shaped cutouts, decorative beads, white card paper, and decorative stickers. Take an A4 sized card paper and fold it. Now take 3 heart-shaped cutouts and apply glue the same way as shown above. Now stick it on the card. Now stick a small square shaped foam sheet on the card. Now draw 2 lines connecting the 2 objects on the card with a black sketch pen. Now stick 3 small rectangular shaped cutouts at the side of the object and write Happy Mother's Day on it as shown. Now decorate the greeting card with beads and draw hearts with a red or pink sketch pen. Now stick a white color card paper inside. It should be smaller compared to the outside card. And stick some stickers. Write a message for your mom in it. Now take a heart-shaped cutout and stick the glue on one of the sides as shown. Write a small message in the heart and fold it back. Now your DIY parachute greeting card is ready. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these DIYs helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video to your friends and family as well so that they too find this video helpful. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to it as it's completely free, and turn on the notification bell at the side of it so you don't miss out any of our new videos. Also, do follow us on Instagram as we send new updates on our upcoming videos. The link for it will be given in the description below. We wish all mothers a happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much for everything you do for all of us. We children love you and we are so grateful for your support. Thanks for watching. Stay home and stay safe.